Welcome back, everybody. So before we begin, I just wanted to make a few announcements. First, the next time you're at the library, please pick up your copy of the Summer Times. It lists all of the summer events going on at all 6 libraries in Lower Merion, and of course, all the events going on at Belmont Hills Library. And I also wanted to tell everybody that this Saturday, the 19th, from 11 to 1 p.m., we are going to be having our summer reading kickoff party out on the front lawn in front of the library. And if there's any rain, we'll have a rain date the following Saturday. So I hope to see you all there. Come by. You can sign up for summer reading. We're going to have giveaways. We're going to have treats and some prizes. So please come. It's going to be a good time. All right, so hopefully you've picked up your bag, and in it you have the little instruction sheet that tells you what's inside the bag. Also, it lists below when you finish your project to please take a picture and send it to me, and I'll put it on our Facebook page. And then what else is in our bag? Oh, a fun sticker. You can put that on your shirt, or if you have a sticker book. And then see what else we have here. We have salsa de papa, a salsa recipe for your favorite man in your life. And then we have fun facts about dad, or you could cross that off and write granddad or uncle or brother. And then we have a word search. And then inside you're going to have a lot of circles. First you're going to have a square of contact paper, which we'll use later. And then inside you're going to have a couple circles. So you'll see the first thing you have is a CD, an old CD. And then you're going to have a black piece of construction paper circle and a colored construction piece. It could be any color. And then you're going to have a piece of colored felt, various colors. This one has some fuzz on it, but you can just pick off. All right, so what we are making are coasters. So your favorite guy can put their drink on here. Maybe their iced tea or a milkshake or something fun like that. So on the one side, doesn't matter which side, you're going to be gluing on the large piece of black construction paper. And you can use your glue stick, or if you want to use some glue, I am going to try something new. So if you have this at home, make sure you get help with your big person. But I picked up some spray adhesive. I'm going to try that out. Make sure you have something to cover your work surface. Like I'm just going to use a piece of paper to protect my work surface. Try. I don't think I need to shake it. Does it say shake it? Do not spray towards face. Well, I'm not going to do that. Do not inhale the mist. Okay, I'm not going to do that. So yeah, I'm going to use this because I am an adult, but if anybody in your family uses it, to use glue, shake vigorously. I mean, it's really, really hard. Oops, some squirting out a little bit, so maybe I'll put the lid back on. So make sure your big person does this part if you have spray adhesive. And I'm going to spray. Okay, look at that. Maybe not. Oops, that's a big fail. Okay, well, that didn't work, but that's okay. That's what happens sometimes. You do something, it doesn't work out, you move on, try something else. So back to our trusty glue stick. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna put glue stick all around. Make sure you get those edges. You see what I'm doing? Put lots of glue. You see how shiny it is. And then I'm going to get my CD, And I'm going to put down my black piece of construction paper right on top and rub it down so it looks like this. See, we still have that on that side and this on this side. And then we're going to take the little piece and glue it in the middle. So it's supposed to look like a record. So we're going to put some glue on this little piece. Make sure you get the edges. And again, you can use Elmer's glue and a brush, but thin it down, and then you'll have to let it dry in between. But I think the glue stick probably works pretty well. And if you want, you can stick it like in the middle. So it kind of looks like an old-fashioned record. And then if you want, you can use your markers, and you can write something in the middle. You can write, I love you, or Happy Father's Day, whether the person you're giving this to is your father or not. Or you could just write, put I, heart, you. And then you can put love and your name. I just kept mine simple, but you can fill your space up. You can also, if you have any flat embellishments, like other little pieces of paper or stickers, anything that's flat, you can glue that on as well if you want. And then on the flip side, we're going to glue down the felt, and that way that will protect any surface that you put your CD on. All right, oops, so I'm gonna get my glue stick, and it might be a little bit harder to do the felt, so I think I'm gonna put the glue right onto the CD. Make sure I get my edges so it sticks on. Without gluing my fingers down. It gets a little slippery. See that? It's all shiny. And then I'm gonna put the felt right on top and then press down. Okay. And then if you want, you have the contact paper. And you can put the contact paper on top so that when your guy puts their drink down, and it'll probably sweat and get water all over. You don't want that. You don't want the paper to like wrinkle. So what I do is I'm going to put that down like this, and I'm going to trace around. This is good for small motor skills. So I'm going to trace around my CD with my marker. Just like that, and then you can cut that out, and then you put it on top, and it's all ready to put, pretend this is a drink, on top. And there we've made our Father's Day coaster. I think that was great. So you can make more if you have other CDs lying around that you're not using, or maybe they're so scratched up they don't work. DVDs as well, not just CDs. You can make some more coasters for other people that you love. Remember, take a picture and send it to me so I can post it on our Facebook page. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and happy Father's Day to everybody. Bye.